Hello all, I'm Antti Taila, Key Account Manager at TT Gaskets.
Hi everybody, I'm Jason Thomas, Export Manager at TT Gaskets.
And every once in a while there comes a time when your normal flat flange gasket might not be the best suited for the sealing solution or sealing situation that you have. So we're here to talk more about our specialty products, which basically include
extruded profiles, molded parts, O-rings, or on the metal side, maybe machined parts.
So, Jason, let's take a look at the profile solutions first. What do we have here?
Yeah, we have a wide variety of different profiles. We have a European partner, actually a strategic manufacturing partner who produces all our profiles. We do the design work in-house, and the profiles are made from various different materials. They can be produced from all kinds of different shapes, different materials.
Yeah, we do have a silicone here. We do have EPDM and NBR rubbers. We do have Viton or FKM. And basically, as Jason said, the variety of different shapes and sizes is huge. Basically, the manufacturing partner that we have has the possibility to do all the shapes that you might need.
Yeah. And not only profiles, we can also provide complete frames. So basically, what we do is we cut the profiles, we vulcanize the corners together to produce a complete frame. And a frame like this could be used, for example, in an electrical cabinet, a lighting system,
a battery housing gasket, whatever you might have the need for. All in all, in the situations when the let's say a traditional flat cut like a rubber gasket is not suitable for the size or for the shape itself, this is a great alternative, and especially since our manufacturing is more focused on the, let's say, flat items that you can present in the 2D format. It's a great addition to our existing portfolio.
Yeah. And one thing to point out is that even though we have a manufacturing partner who produces these parts for ourselves, all the parts always come to our head office in Finland, where we do thorough quality checks before we send them to our end customers. Exactly.
So we keep the quality check in-house for all our products that we will be shipping outside the factory.
The second product group that we would like to talk about are our molded parts. Once again, we don't produce these in-house. We have a strategic manufacturing partner in India. We have worked with this company for about 10 or 15 years, if I remember.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah. The quality of this India manufacturer is very high. They have a lot of European customers. They also have the automotive standard IATF 16949, which proves that the quality is very high. And once again, the materials that they can produce.
Yeah, the usual suspects: EPDM, NBR, FPM or fluorinated Viton rubbers, and also the rubberized metal parts. The metal selection is, wide as you could imagine.
Yeah, and that we work with a lot of very high-end customers, and we've been supplying these parts to our customers for a number of years now, and we have never had any problems with the quality. The quality is excellent, and once again, to ensure that our customers are happy with the quality, we always ship the parts to our head office in Finland, where we do thorough quality checks before we send them to our end customers.
Exactly. For like the PPAP processes, we basically handle that in-house. So all our strategic manufacturing partner is exactly that, our manufacturing partner. So we do almost all the product development, so on, in-house by ourselves.
Yeah. We pride ourselves on being not only a manufacturer, but a design house as well. So we work very closely with our customers to design the parts, and then we utilize our strategic manufacturing partners all around the world to produce the parts according to our customers' exact technical requirements.
Exactly. And for example, the so-called rubberized metal items. Basically, as simple as they might look, the rubber profile, metal profile, and how the attachment is made is carefully designed in-house together with the customer. So next up, from the rubberized metal items to pure metals, we now move back to our in-house production in Janka in Tampere. And during the last few years, we've seen a great increase in the needs of specialized metal items, not necessarily always gaskets, but for different needs, especially during the rise of the new renewable fuels and different combustion solutions, as well as the electrical side of things.
As Antti mentioned, we've seen a very high increase in the amount of metal parts that we're supplying to our customers these days. And as Antti said, I mean, it's not only gaskets, it's also a lot of like machined parts. So what we call like maybe side products. So, I mean, as everybody probably knows, or a lot of people know, we work heavily in the engine industry, and there are a lot of machined parts inside an engine, diesel or gas engine, for example. And so, related to this, we've made heavy investments in our production facilities in Janka, and one of the latest investments which we did a few years ago is an automated turn-in lathe complete with robot. With this, we can basically machine both sides of the metal part. Then when it's ready, the robot will take the part out of the lathe and take it to the next station. And in the same station, we have lots of different work stages. So we can basically precisely measure the parts. So we have coordinated measuring devices. We can oil or grease the parts, ready for packaging. So this is really a high-tech machine that we invested in several years ago.
Basically a machine that is capable of running it on its own for a shift, 2 shifts, as long as the material supply lasts, can cut, lathe, measure, mark, and protective grease applying all in the same cell, basically, that handles all by itself.
Yeah. I mean, sorry, Antti, I'm taking your sample from you. So, I mean, basically the idea is that the material is in rod or tube format, and then we machine the part directly from the rod or the tube. And with this machine, we can machine materials such as
all the stainless steels, carbon steels, bronze, different kind of alloys, aluminium, also a certain type of hard plastics, PTFE, Teflons, so forth, but mostly metal items. And the size, basically the rod diameter is from 100 to 300 millimeters, always working in a well, but on the
other hand, we can go up to maybe a maximum of, say, 790. But of course, it depends on the actual technical requirements. But I mean, the good thing with this machine is that when a customer has very tight flatness or parallelism requirements, this is the machine that we can use to meet the requirements. So the message is that we're not only a gasket supplier. With our new machines, we can machine a lot of parts which are not just gaskets. So basically anything that can be machined, we could probably help you.
So all in all, on addition to the traditional flange gaskets that you might know us a bit better from those, we do have a wide variety of different products for different applications in profiles, molded rubbers, metal O-rings that are quite specialized case in a sealing world. But I don't know. What more could you need?
Yeah. I mean, I suppose the message is don't be afraid to ask whether we can produce something new for you. Because, I mean, in addition to the 3,500 different materials that we have in our factory in Janka, we also have the ability to supply a lot of other products which we don't produce ourselves, because We have several strategic manufacturers all over the world who can help us and hopefully help you as well.
Okay, so whatever your sealing need might be, don't hesitate to ask. For now, thanks for watching and hope you tune in for the next episode.
Yeah, exactly. From my side, thanks for listening and hope to hear from you very soon.